Hello and welcome back to this episode of the Day Trading Bootcamp. In this episode, we are going to discuss liquidity. So liquidity is resting underneath swing lows. This is where traders will be putting their stop losses. Say somebody wanted to get in long here. Where would they set their stop loss? Under a swing low. So underneath swing lows rest liquidity. Remember that under swing lows and swing highs rest liquidity. Price is always hunting for either side of the market's liquidity to take certain traders out of the market and induce new traders into the market to then get them out of the market again. So, like I'm saying, people might want to get in long here, put their stop losses here, and assume that we're going to make higher highs and higher lows and continue a trend up. Market will manipulate the low, stop these traders out of the market, get people short here as well to predict a reversal, and then it will reverse to hunt the liquidity of the other side. It'll hunt this liquidity, and people that set their stop losses here as well, it'll hunt this liquidity. So in liquidity, we have sell side liquidity, SSL, and we have buy side liquidity, BSL. So sell side liquidity is the liquidity to the downside to be targeted. So all of these are equal lows. We'll talk about equal lows in a different episode. But we have sell side liquidity being generated. All this sell side liquidity being generated as we go higher. And this is also a low resistance liquidity, which I'll also talk about in another episode. So yeah. For this episode, I just want you to remember liquidity is resting above swing highs and swing lows. Liquidity is resting. The market wants to take people out of the market by sweeping liquidity. Liquidity to the downside is sell side liquidity. Liquidity to the upside is buy side liquidity. And price wants to target liquidity. That's pretty much all for this episode. If you have any questions about liquidity, leave them in the comments below. As we go on with this bootcamp, I will be referring to liquidity a lot more. So really, the more you watch and you note from the series, you'll be able to understand liquidity more. But just know that is a very, very important concept within the market and ICT as a whole. So thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.